What I love about Rain is we're the first company to focus 100% on seeds, and we're going to the source of nutrition, the seed.
In human physiology, there are actually 12 vitamins that your body requires every day. There's 17 minerals that your body requires every day, 9 essential amino acids, and some essential fatty acids. And the unique feature about seeds, it contains all 4 of those areas.
And the thing that I love about Soul is it's very simple. It's based on a couple main ingredients, the black cumin seed, the black raspberry seed, the Chardonnay grape seed, and D-ribose. That's it, but obviously we use the whole seed. There's a synergistic effect with this product that really people can feel and people can experience as they get on it, and it's powerful.